Ay, wala power.
Baka wala internet.
Saan yung power dito?
Bakit nangyari? Nawala.
Oh.
Nawala yung ano eh. Naka-charge to ah.
Yan ang ating ano. Nag-picnic tayo rito sa harapan ng bahay ng kaibigan ko. Ayan. Ganda kasi yung lugar ni Dala dito. Very relaxing talaga.
Pampers Swaddlers is the #1 brand.
Ayan.
Firstly, keeping your baby comfortably dry.
Maganda rito.
Hello.
May moon pa. Ay, tinan mo. Maglalaro doon. Kaya ito mga friends, mga adik sa mga karaoke.
Hello.
Masayang kasama sila.
Kulang ko'y ginawa na lahat ng paraan upang mahiwalay sa aking natutunan. Subalit iniwan ko ang binigay na karangyaan. Ano ang dahilan? Ako lang ang nakakaalam.
Kami rito, shout out sa inyong lahat. Exercise, kakakain lang, busog na busog ka rin sa kain, kaya kailangan natin i-burn out. Lalien, Rizaldo, maraming salamat, Balumi, Kinar.
Concert kami mga
Ayan, shout out Kim Tan, Kailso, Kailaw, and Cotton is watching. Ayan.
Mag-drive na ko. Mag-drive na ko.
Mag-drive, go ahead. Ida-drive niya yung kotse natin. Ayan, shout out kay Junix, at saka kay Ivy Nini. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko makita yung nakano dito eh. Hindi ko makikita yung pangalan. Kaya. Hindi, hayaan mo lang siya. Ayan, diba? Puntahan madilim. Sa'yo maganda yung nakuha. It's okay. Ano yan yung atin sa cellphone na natin.
Halos lahat tungkol sa aming bayan.
Take over,
Sa amin ng kanluran na
Nawawala yung sa akin.
pinagmulan. Sila'y nalilito, ba't daw ako nagkagalit? Sabay-sabay! Oras, ako lang ang nakakaw.
Good morning! Ako lang ang ano mo. Nawawala.
Pwede ka na tumugin mo siya.
Ano yan?
May sa akin nawawala yung signal.
Ano ba yung masaya talaga, Ate Gina?
Pag tinanod nila, sunod-sunod naman din yon yung cutting. Wala siyang gap. Yan pala yan, buhay ko.
Oh, ganyan. Ano pa?
Wala yung buhay.
Musika ang ba? Ano pa yung
Ano nga mga wala? Sige, sikay mo na. Sige pa.
yung parang magsaya tayo, parang nagsa ano tayo ba?
Ano yung ano?
Kantahin ko yung ano, yung kaya lang di sayaw.
Hello, Ate Rose!
Sumayaw ka sa aking
Ano yung ha?
ba yung mga bagong pagtugin ngayon?
Hi guys! Ito?
Doon mo nga ano, Lords, hindi ba pwede mapunta doon?
Hindi.
Gagaganito ko to.
Oo, ganda sana.
Milestones may start at age 9.
Para
HPV
doon.
Oh, sige. Eh, doon kayo. Kunin mo
Ganyan
muna to.
ba? Ganyan.
Oh, kasi, pero ang ano.
zone, but brothers, it can cause certain cancers later in life.
Doon sana kayo, oh. Hindi maano, ate, ang kamera. Kaya kung mag-ano ba, uy! Talon-talon. Yung talon-talon tayo, hindi makita sa live. Teka. Ano ko to?
Minsan ikot-ikotin mo na lang habang.
Hello.
Oh, galaw-galaw naman dyan!
Ang kasiyahan
Ano ko isang cellphone set?
ay ng pagmamahala ay mararamdaman, lalo na kung nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Sabay-sabay!
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon.
Paano muna?
Kasabay ng mga
Hoy, come on guys! Saya!
Natumba ang ating cellphone.
ng panahon.
Hello!
Balot!
Dito, sayaw tayo! Ibulagay lang doon.
Panahon natin nag-iiba, kaya't sundin.
Hi, Bird.
Masasayang
Bird Keaton Tay Jr. Bird Keaton. Shout out to you. Thank you for watching.
Ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Panahon natin ay iiba, kaya't sundin. Masasayang awitin ay nararapat na tangkilikin. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Galaw-galaw! Sige ito! Galaw-galaw! Makatawan! Woo!
Sumayaw, sumayaw ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka.
First time natin ito sa labas pa ng ano. Indot kayo.
Maganda kasi naman sa labas, maganda ka open. Parang makakapag-express ka ng mas maganda.
Ikaw, mag-ano ka na? Sayaw-sayaw.
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Siya. Ay, Ayan, patlis yung mga kinain natin. Oo, di ba? Tapos ganun na kainan mo. Hanggang ngayon. Tapos kain na naman. Oo, yun na yun eh.
Tapos,
Hanggang ngayon. Pagka nalagyan na ng sila.
Ay, tanawan.
there are more after eating. Sunod.
Nilalagyan ko talaga ng lugar pa dyan.
Ha?
Ate Gina.
There you go.
YMCA. Kasi 4th of July.
YMCA?
Ate Sharon pa, istoryasa ko.
Hello! Tama ang ginagawa mo.
Hi, Joy!
Huwag mong isipin.
Mga katawan! Ganyan! Oh! Sabay-sabay!
Lalo ka na aasahin. Nosi, malasi.
Sayaw-sayaw!
Sino ba sila? Nosi, balasi. Sino ba sila?
Shout out sa ating kapamilya, Vingers. Hi, Joy! Thank you, Joy.
Nandito sa akin, Joy.
Marian Jola. Ay, kasi Joy pa. Nakaka Joy dito din. Hi, Joy!
Tuloy mo lang. Gawin ang gusto mo. Walang mangyayari kung sila'y pansinin mo. Talagang ganyan. Huwag na nang patulan. Wala nang makakalaman. Nagkakaganyan. Nosi, balasi. Sino ba sila? Nosi, balasi. Sino ba sila?
Paputok tayo rito, paputok. Oh, ayan. Dito na kami sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Ayan. Ganda kasi yung lugar nila dito, guys. Maganda ng lugar nila dito. Ano yan?
Bamboo, di ba?
Nosi, balasi. Sino ba sila? Nosi, balasi. Sino ba sila?
Di pa nakainom yan, ha?
Hindi pa nakainom yan.
Wala pang espiritu ng alak yan, ha? Ganado pa lang yan.
Paborito ko yung song na yan natin. Ah, okay.
Ganado to.
Talaga yan.
Ganda ng fireworks, oh!
Lalo na pa.
Paborito mo yan. Yan ganda na yan. Para hindi mo mamiso. Ibang kulay.
Ay, di ba ako? Hindi man nga ako umiinom na. Hindi ko alam pagka. Ay, naku, ewan ko lang. Yung pang ako sa kakataon. Ay, yan, maganda yan sa ano. Para yung mga...
Yeah, thank you, Joy. Maraming salamat.
Mga nasinggero, naman malasing, mag-aawa, mga baruban. Iba yung ano mo. Ako hindi ko lang pag hindi pa ako. Hindi, uminom ka ba? Hindi ako uminom. Try mo kaya, ate. Karaoke, ate siya. Barumbado ka, mas maging barumbado pa ako sa ganit.
lang. I-play mo, play mo.
Yeah, gi-play ko na. Tapos,
Yan na, that should be done already. Punta ka sa iba.
wala siyang music.
Yan.
Wala siyang ano?
Walang music. Naka-bluetooth naman yan.
Are you sure? Naka-bluetooth yun?
Punta ka, search ka uli. Pindutin mo yung iba. Pindutin mo yung iba. Kahit ano dyan. Kahit ano dyan.
May clock doon sa ano, sa Joplin.
So yung pinick up mo, baka iba yun. Yan, pwede na yan. Ay, ikaw lang, ano, wala kang ano. Wala kang magayahan.
Oh, paano man?
Alam ba sayawan?
Hindi.
Mas kay go back.
Ayan
go
nga,
back, go
katong
back,
isa.
go back.
Ito siguro, katong na village.
Oh, yan. Yeah, pwede na rin yan kasi may action
Dance
siya.
YMCA. Yeah, ito daw.
Yeah. Ikaw. So, gayahin siya. Salamat sa pagtawag, Joy.
Ah, Lord Jesus. She's always easy with
Ang nagpipick up yung kanyang ano. Nagpipick up yung kanyang kanta.
YMCA.
May sayaw din ito.
Let's see. YMCA, the best village people.
Ayan, pwede yan.
Ito daw, Just Dance.
the Trump version.
Is that Trump?
Yeah, gang, di
He
ba
did
di
it
maote,
at,
di na maote.
at his rally.
YMCA is
YMCA.
Trump rally.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
It's a good song.
He actually had the village people there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah,
these
they
people
did it.
are there. Ano ba yun? Ayun na lang ay YMCA song.
Ganda na ito. Yeah.
Need to get closer. Zoom in. Can you zoom with it?
Yan.
Hindi naman kayo yan. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Itong isa dance na to.
She wants a big.
Sayaw lang you just wanna dance.
See it.
Sayaw, Sharon!
Oh, sir. Young man. Nag-start na sila. Post ko na nga ito.
May ano pa, perfect day kasi mayroong pang mono.
Where is this place? It looks nice.
Ay, Jean! Happy 4th of July, Jean!
Sino si Ivy?
Nandito kami sa bahay ng coworker ko eh. Young man.
No, we go down, I said, young man. Pick yourself up the ground, I said, young man. Cause you're in a new town, there's no need to be young man. There's a place you can go, I said, young man. When you're short and you're dumb, you can't stand there. And I'm sure you will find many ways to have a good time. Fun to say at the YMCA. It's fun to say at the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to say at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Ayun.
You can get you clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man. What do you want to be? I said, young man. You can make your dream, but you got to know this one thing, man. I said, all by myself, I said, young man, put your pride on the shelf and just go there to the YMCA. I'm sure they can help you today. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for the men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. YMCA. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, I was rinsing your shoes. I said, young man, down and out with the blues. I felt no man. Carried power alive. I felt the whole world was too dry. That's when the storm came me. I said, young man, take a walk up the street. There's a place there. Call the YMCA. They can start you back on your way. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. YMCA. They have everything for young men to go. You can bring a hour to home. YMCA.
Saturday night.
Maganda rin yun eh.
Saturday night.
Young man.
Live? Yung pang Saturday night.
Young man.
Yun, maganda rin yun. Tignan mo. Saturday night. Ayun, Saturday night. Ako kanta, di ko alam. Sige, tingnan na. Alam mo yun pag narinig mo.
Young man.
Ano yun? Yung Saturday night. Di ba si ano pang nag-ano nun si... Kinanta ni... Kasi John Travolta.
YMCA. They have everything. Everyone to enjoy. You can have it all.
Ayun, tingnan mo, Saturday night.
Ay! Happy 4th of July, Hansal! Hansal Patel, how are you dear? Galing. Uy! Wala na! Ganda, oh.
Pinag-uusapan nila sa kanya. Eh sabi ko, nabenta ko yung charger ko, 20 grand. Eh challenger pa rin sa kanya. Eh meron pa ako tatlo. Nabenta ko pa. May 45.
Saan na aking drink? Tatugtog ka pa. Magdanap ka pa dyan.
That was the one I had for 30-some years.
Oh, really? Yeah. Wow, really? Tagal na raw, hindi napaputok yun. Hey, look! Why don't you play over there? You don't wanna play? Yeah. I used to play that when I was young. Like a lot. But now I'm like kind of scared a little bit to do it. You have any more? Sige, Leroy.
That one was mine. We almost hit that bird.
Leroy. Yeah.
I got the gypsy pole.
Hey, and watch out with them sticks.
Put it over here.
Ang sarap ng anong sago. Ang gulaman.
That's 200 pounds.
This other one's 3.
Can I have that one?
No, hold on.
So back in the Philippines, guys, like whenever there's a party like this or any birthday parties, so we have food. Kaya mo yan! We have so we have food, we have friends, we have families, and then the fun what we have. Sometimes we have games, we do sing and dance. That makes us really feel good to our body and our spirit also. You know, we have the energy. So you're full, your stomach is full, you have energy. And then you still have the bonding with your friends, you know. So it's more relaxing and really good for our brain. That's why we love to do this way, because we know what we can get out of it. Even though we don't really know how to sing, I mean, just whatever that you can do, you know, that makes you feel good, just do it.
Here I am, praying for this moment to last. Living on the music so fine, born of the wind, making it mine. Never felt like
Fever!
how to do it.
Kaya sa'yo yan.
Yeah. Give it back every night, fever.
Bakit yung sa'yo? Dati, pakul. Umagang ganun-ganun na. Ang cute, no? Alam mo kasi ganun.
Disco lang, yeah.
Oo, pero ang cute na.
Parang ang sarap i-feel.
Oo, yan. Yung parang nag-tweet times. Yung parang feel na feel yung ano, yung move.
Yeah, yeah.
Ngayon may
Gotta feel the move.
yung headbangers na ngayon. Oo, mga headbangers na. Magkasama lang yan, magkasunod lang yan. Mayroon pa sa Staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive. Wait, Inday. Basta may kanta si Marilyn. Sino Inday? Yung? Ikaw naman, Lordy. Pag-ano mo na ako. Kaya nga, para ako yung ano ninyo. Yung MC.
Pahingangin, siyangin ko lang tayo, hindi ko lang pahinga.
Walang bayad eh. Walang bayad. Dapat yung MC may bayad para.
Kung sinakain ka na, in-entertain ka, paano ka bang kailangan mo? Tulog kita doon sa ano?
Yan ang pinaka-volume niya.
Nasa labas kasi tayo. Hindi man yan ganyan nag-create dahil. Kasi andun tayo sa loob. Hindi tayo alive yan. Hindi tayo alive yan. Dito lang tayo kay... dito lang tayo. Okay naman tayo. Ang tanong sa loob pa. Ganun kasi. Hindi ako kalagyan dyan. lang naman. Diyan ah. May work na bukas. Hi, Mama. You're Brian's mom. Well, I was thinking.
Yeah.
Ano na yung wine mo?
Oh, sino may ano niyan? Why? Si Nana. Ano ba yan? Why na yan?
Na, Marilyn! Na! Na.
Alam mo yan natin.
Standing beside you, wishing you always close to me. And how can I tell you? Every night I see you in my dreams. To be me, I would never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come when we'll be joined together close as one. I feel the pressure.
Yung apple, masarap.
White apple? Burning deep inside my soul.
Hey,
Resolution.
cocktail.
I know you catch me if I fall. To be me, don't be me. I would never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come when we'll be joined together close as one. Together as one. Together as one. Together as one. Together as one.
Guys, yan ito yung picture. Maganda.
Yeah.
Bawagan kita.
To be me, don't be me. I would never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come when we'll be joined together close as one. Together as one. Together as one. Together as one. Together as one. Thank you, Merlin. Salamat. Pasa.
Ito, Ate Eden. Lasing ang phone. Lasing ang phone.
Fast relief with
Di ba ang phone nalalasing?
Miss Simbora, how are you? Happy 4th of July, Miss Simbora.
Ikatulo na gani na ko ni.
Yan. Sa isipan ko, ikaw ang siyang binubuluyan. Di ko lang alam ang nararamdaman ko. Pag ikaw ay nakikita, ayoko na minsan. Kaba at pag-ibig ko napigilan, ayoko na naluluwa.
Ganyan. Ay, wala. Step kasi.
Sa damdamin ko'y ikaw ang siyang binubulong. Kung alam mo lang at ika'y nagtatanong, ikaw ay pinapangarap at laging hinahanap ng mata. At pag tayo'y nakikita, ayoko nang mawalay pa. Sinta, di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan na aking nadarama. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan na ikaiwasan ang kalimutan pa. Di ko na mapipigilan pa ang aking puso na ibigin ka.
Tinikling ba yan? Or bukta? Tinikling mo.
Yes.
Yeah, did she leave earlier? She was in a red car and she left.
Oh. You know what? That was the big one.
Napipigilan ang kaligayahan ng aking nadarama. Di ko mapipigilan ang aking sarili na isipin ka. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking iwasan at kalimutan pa. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking puso na ibigin ka. Oh, that wasn't me too. That was the other one. Saan tayo ba?
Kinukot siya. Madali na.
Pangingin ng sabaw.
Matindi ang pangilan natin kahit gabi na kumakanta pa. It's really getting dark in here. It's a good thing that we're not, I mean, I think we're calling the bugs to join with us.
Yeah, you know.
See, it's dark. It's around 9 o'clock, I think. Yeah, it's almost 9:30 here at night. So, summertime, they, maaga yung, summertime, maaga yung, late ang ating sun. Lilibet Barona, kamusta? Mayong aga?
Oh my God.
Ang aga. Yan, dito kami sa aming kaibigan. Pagputok. Ano kasi dito, Independence Day. Ano natin na pagputok. Dito tayo. Dali, kantahin ko to.
Tayo'y mag-utso-utso ate.
iPhone 16e has a durable design and ceramic shield because the average person drops their phone 208
Mag-spaghetting pa
times
ba
a
ka ba?
year. Make that 209 once they see the price.
Gusto mo ba ng pain sa utso-utso?
Latest iPhone, greatest price.
Ayan, talagang kumakain. Medyo madilim kasi. Ito, kanta ka tawa saglit na din na utso tayo.
Was it simple, right, but those are the lie. Don't you look a little worried? Hard to pretend he wasn't breaking again. I lit the poop from my drink. I was only 8 years old that summer, and always seemed to be the way. So I took myself down to the very top. On Independence Day. The words get around of Some folks talk, but everybody looked the other way. And when time ran out, there was no one about on Independence Day. Come on! Let freedom ring, let the white dove sing. Let the whole world know that today is a day of reckoning. Let the weak be strong, let the right be wrong. Roll the stone away, let the guilty pay. It's Independence Day. Was you lit up the sky that 4th of July? By the time the fireman come, he just put out the flames and stood out the names and sent me to the county home. Now I ain't saying it's right or it's wrong, but maybe it's the only way. Talk about your revolution. It's Independence Day. Come on! Let freedom ring, let the white dove sing, let the whole world know that today is a day of reckoning. Let the weak be strong, let the right be wrong. Roll the stone away, let the guilty pay. It's Independence Day. Roll the stone away. It's Independence Day. Salamat, salamat.
Ayun. Ano, ito na yung 8-8 mo. Madilim na, madilim.
Oo nga,
Madilim na. Ito na, ito na.
9:30.
Eh, Allergy, halika na rito. Ito na, 8-8 mo. Halika na.
Unat ng mata, gising sa umaga. Unat kamay, bumangon na sa kama. Kung naantok pa, lumundag-lundag ka. Ahaha. Kung wala pa rin, huwag mo nang pilitin. Kung sana lang ang radial, lahat ay hanapin. Tunog ng bagong pistin na nakakagising. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Doblihin ang 8, tayo'y mag-8-8. 8-8. 8-8. Lumisan na! 8-8 na, mag-8-8. 8-8. 8-8 pa. Wow! Himay ng butong matambay, ito ay pampahaba pa ng ating buhay. Manipin man o wala, lahat ay sumabay. Ay, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Dublihin ang 8, tayo'y mag-8-8. 8-8, 8-8 naman, 8-8, 8-8, 8-8 pa, tayo'y mag-8-8, 8-8, 8-8, 8-8, 8-8, otso pa. Ang mga kalokoy, tigilan nyo na ang bisyo. Mag-ulso na kayo. Original yan. Ha ha ha. Joke. Hindi lang pampatibay ng buhay. Ito ay pampahaba pa ng ating buhay. May ngipin man o wala, lahat ay sumabay. Ahay. 1 plus 1, Magellan. 2 plus 2, Lapu-Lapu. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Dublihin ang 8. Tayo'y mag-otso-otso. Otso-otso na. Mag-otso-otso. Mag-otso-otso pa. Slower! Tayo'y mag-otso-otso. Otso-otso. Walang kaparis eh. Otso-otso na. Mag-otso-otso. Mag-otso-otso pa. Faster! Yung mag-otso-otso. Saron! Otso-otso. Otso-otso na. Mag-otso-otso. Mag-otso-otso pa. Tayo'y mag-otso-otso. Otso-otso na. Mag-otso-otso. Mag-otso-otso pa. Otso-otso na, Joy! Ayaw mo ng otso-otso, ha? Alam ko lang ng number ang gusto mo. Aray, kasalamat. Thank you.
Madilim ang ating buhay. Oh, sige, magdala tayong pagkain.
Leroy, Bailey, you want us to roll out? I don't know anyone. That don't matter. You can just walk around hugging everybody. Yeah, we gotta get that.
You can never escape our sin.
Leroy, Bailey, roll out. Okay, hurry up.
Chi, ang tanta oh. Susie! 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 Come here. Sing your song. What song you want? It's just
Ate!
Which song you want?
Salamat ate ah. Mauna na kami.
Ay, sige. Salamat sa firework. Buti dinala nyo.
Alam ko na yung asa.
Which one you like song?
What do you wanna sing, Miss Jose?
Taylor Swift song. Roar. Roar.
But there's a million people.
Yeah, don't be shy. People like confident people.
I don't want to sing. There's too many people.
They're not looking at me. They're on their food. Okay, come. Ano na ito, tita? Here. I'll stay here. I'll stay with you. Sing it loud.
Very good.
Manta pala yung gamitak man kayo. Minsan mo. Kahit kung nasan ka sa You want to sit there with a smile?
One. I'll give you the dance too.
Yeah, that with a smile.
Now we're gonna end the live, guys. We're done here. It's really dark. We cannot see each other much. Alright, have a good night, guys. Happy 4th of July again. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. See you, Joy. Andyan ka pa, Joy. Yung kasama natin dyan. Hindi ko nakita yung isa kanina. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Sige, mag-off na ako kasi lipat mo ako sa kabilang, may isang party pa doon. Mamaya ulit tayo. Have a good night. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much.